guys, so today we're going to be diving back into our social studies topics. So to switch over, I want everybody to take a few seconds to really think about what we've been learning in social studies. We've been talking all about goods and services, producers and consumers, and we started talking about resources. Now today, we are going to start talking about supply and demand. We're going to really focus on supply today and get into demand tomorrow. Are you guys ready? It's going to be awesome. So the first thing we're going to talk about with supply is a couple of vocabulary words. So I want you to repeat after me. Producer. Good job. So a producer, like we've talked about, is the person who is making and selling goods and services. So it would be like a farmer, and they are growing things to sell to people. They're growing the food that's going to go into the grocery stores that people will buy. Now, supply, everyone say supply, is how much of something that a producer is willing or able to sell. So our farmer, they sell and grow vegetables or fruits or whatever they're growing. But they might only be able to grow so much of it because they only have so much land. Or they might only grow so much of it because people only want to buy some of it. So let's say people love bananas. Everybody just absolutely loves bananas and they want to buy so many of those bananas. Well, our farmer will then probably grow a ton of bananas because she wants to sell them to all those people. So our supply is how many bananas our farmer will grow. Now for another example. Sometimes in the winter, there is a big supply of warm coats, hot chocolate, and sleds. Now, there's a very big supply of those things in the winter, and you can find those things all winter long in stores. They sell those things in the winter because they are the things that people use in the winter. It's cold in the winter, so people are going to need to buy a winter coat and some hot chocolate to keep them warm. And it also snows in the winter, so people buy their sleds in the wintertime to use them. These things are much harder to find in the summer. So there is a bigger supply of them in the winter. That is our supply. Now, what I want you guys to do today is you are going to list 4 things that are easy to find in the summer, but hard to find in the winter. So it'll be the opposite of what we just talked about. So your paper might look something like this. You'll title it 4 things that are easy to find in the summer, and then list your 1, 2, 3, 4 things. And I even put a bonus question since you guys have been doing an amazing job in all of your social studies and science projects. So our bonus question says, bonus. Why are these things easy to buy in the summer, but not in the winter? You'll have to really think about that question and write your answer. Once you've done your list, and if you choose to accept the challenge of the bonus, take a picture and upload it to your teacher. All right, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.